Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, November 14th, 2023. It is 7:46 and 31 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cluster galaxy. So let's hop to it here. As scientists find 14 new transient objects in space by peering through the Christmas tree galaxy cluster, date November 9, 2023. Source, University of Columbia. As scientists have discovered 14 new transient objects during their time-lapse study of galaxy cluster MAC SO4-16, located about 4.3 billion light-years from Earth, which they've dubbed as a Christmas tree galaxy cluster. The transients are objects in space, like individual stars, that appear suddenly, brightened by orders of magnitudes, and then fade away. These transient objects appear bright for only a short period of time, and at our thought, it is like we are peering through a shifting magnifying glass. Right now we have this rare chance that nature has given us to get a detailed view of individual stars that are located very far away. While we are currently only able to see the brightest ones, if we do this long enough and frequently enough, we will be able to determine how many bright stars there are and how massive they are. The scientific investigators and astronomers confirm what is causing the galaxy clusters, flickering lights, or transients that scientists first saw years ago using NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. We are calling MACSO416 the Christmas tree galaxy cluster, both because it is so colorful and because of the flickering lights we find within it. We can see so many transients in certain regions of this area because of the phenomenon known as gravitational lensing, which is magnifying galaxies behind this cluster. The team discovered that transients by studying 4 sets of images taken by JWST of the galaxy cluster over a period of 126 days, or about 4 months. Astronomers are particularly excited that 2 of the transients are supernova, stars that are at the end of their lifespans, because the team can use them to study the supernova's host galaxy. The 2 supernova and the other 12 extremely magnified stars are of different nature, but they are all important. They have traced a change in brightness over time through their light curves, and by examining in detail how the light changes over time, they will eventually be able to know what kind of stars they are. More importantly, they'll be able to understand the detailed structure of the magnifying glass and how it relates to dark matter distribution. This is a completely new view of the universe that has been opened by JWST. And this is the Professor of Astronomy, Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.